Hey, what's up guys, it's me Russian Winter, and in this video I will show you how to upgrade your own RC car. So smash the like button, subscribe, and let's get it rolling. Okay, so this is how the finished result turned out. I used an old chassis from RC car and the top part to close all the wires and schematics. And this is the charging port. Under the car, you can see the battery pack and the controller board. So yeah, this is how the car looks and what it got. Now for the parts you will need to build this project. A chassis. I'm using an old chassis from old RC car because it's already got the motors inside and I'm lazy to build my own chassis. We will also need a remote control which I bought from China. The material it's made of are cheap plastic, but it's okay because this is a budget build. It also comes with a receiver board which receives the signal from a remote controller and sends the signal to the motors through the wires. We will also need a battery to power our RC car, and this is a Lion battery for 12 volts, 4.4 amps. This is actually the same batteries they use in Tesla electric cars. We will also need a charger to charge the battery. It actually comes with the battery, so that's good because you don't have to buy them separately. I will be also using this plastic container to put all the stuff like batteries inside, but you could use anything else. And of course this plastic closure to close everything up. Lastly, some little stuff like wires, switches or screws. Now let's finally build it. I started off by marking the places where the holes should be drilled, and then I drilled the holes. I also made a schematic which shows how all the parts are connected. I'm not gonna explain it that much because it's very simple. I also came up with the idea of putting a charging port in the same place, just like in an actual car. Okay guys, so we're in front of school right now to test out this car with Jonathan and Jonathan's brother, and yeah, this is a trial too. Let's go! So yeah guys, that's basically it. There's still some improvements you could make on the car. For example, the gear ratio is pretty bad and the motors are pretty weak. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Like that like button, subscribe, comment down below, because I put a lot of effort into making this video. And yeah, also guys, here are top 5 comments. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.